In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view shared links in ChatGPT. Let's get started by first opening up your preferred web browser. To begin, navigate to Google. You can either type Google into your address bar or use a pre-saved bookmark if you have it handy. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the search bar. Type ChatGPT into this search bar. While doing this, keep in mind that it's always a good practice to ensure the accuracy of your spelling to get the most precise search results. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to a page filled with results related to ChatGPT. Scanning the results, you should find a link to the official ChatGPT website. Click on this link to be directed to the ChatGPT main page. This is where all the magic happens, whether you're crafting content, asking questions, or, as in our case today, managing shared links. Once on the ChatGPT website, look for a button or menu option labeled Settings. Typically, settings icons are located at the top or the bottom corners of the screen, often symbolized by a gear icon. These settings hold the key to personalizing and managing your ChatGPT experience. Click on it to access the settings menu. Now, focus on finding the data controls option. This may be under a submenu within settings, so take your time to explore this area if necessary. Clicking on data controls will lead you to a section where you can manage all the data linked with your account. Next, seek out the Manage button within these data controls. The Manage feature is your gateway to a more detailed overview of how your data and shared content are controlled. Click on Manage, and this will bring you to a new page specifically designed for data management. If you have previously shared links via ChatGPT, they will be listed and displayed here. This section provides a comprehensive view of all shared content, making it simple to review and, if needed, take further actions such as editing or deleting any shared items. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage the shared links within ChatGPT. This functionality ensures that you're always informed about your shared content, giving you peace of mind and more control over your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.